What up, guys? Picking up some parts here. This guy right here is Steven.
What's up?
You guys want to give him a follow. He actually does a lot of body work. He's actually working on this right-hand drive converted, doing a full tuck on it. That's kind of his specialties, what he likes to do.
K-swap.
K-swaps. He likes to do everything. B-swaps. He even likes to do turbo builds. He'll even tune your car too. But I'm actually picking up my hood here. So he kind of made some progress on it. I'll flip the camera around so you guys can take a look. My hood, if you guys remember, I just cut it straight across and kind of made like a 90-degree bend. And I said, hey man, I kind of need some help, get a little better idea. This is the guy to go to. You can see how we transitioned it here. Instead of being at 90 degrees, it's kind of like at a 45. And from there, it just flows and it starts to become parallel to the hood. So I thought that's really cool. So if you can see the little gussets or vents he had added in the back of it. So this hood is going to be going to body next. All right, so just made it back home. We will eventually put that hood on, see how it fits. But also we need to get body work done, not only on the Celica, but also on that hood. So we'll get moving on to the TRX first. We got some parts in, the belt, and we'll go from there. This is the belt that came in. Again, we got the oil return line on. Here's a part number if you guys ever decide to build a dart block. Of course, that's going to be a little taller again, just to refresh everybody's memories. See if this thing even fits here. So comparison, let me grab the other belt that I have. Basically, from what I see, it does look a little longer, so let's see if this thing fits. Kind of hard for me to capture all this on camera. And from the looks of it, it looks like it will fit. Just got to stretch it over. But again, I got to make sure everything's all within time first. Okay, so the belt does fit, but it is off by half a tooth here. So it looks like I probably will need to replace the GSR water pump with the LS. I'm sure that probably makes up the difference here, because this half of turn difference, every time I try to correct it, the belt up here is super loose. So look how much play that has. I mean, I would think you would need this, but I mean, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys done this before, and if you have, what setup did you run? Was it the GSR water pump, or was it the LS? All right, so regardless, no matter what I've done to kind of get this belt on there correct, like I said, I tried forcing it on by correcting it, retensioning it, detensioning it, doing all these kind of things. I end up just advancing the intake side because it was off about, again, a tooth, and it sounds kind of weird. You think that even if it was off by a tooth, you could just clock it back and slide on, but it wouldn't do that. So I just put it on the way it was, end up advancing the intake side about 5 degrees to kind of get it centered properly. All right, okay, so the CRX does fire up. Got about idling for about 10 seconds or so, because the coolant system's not all attached to it. I just kind of shut it off from there. So let's go on and let's move on to the Celica now, and let's see if we get some brakes at least kind of mocked up and fitted on. So let's get working on the Celica. Got the wheel pulled off already. Trying to see if I can get these wheel woods to fit here. First step is, though, I got to get the rotor. It's 4x114, and these are 4x100 because they go to a Honda Civic. So what I did to kind of center it, use this hub, had this spacer in here to kind of center the same exact location, and I just drilled or dotted some holes. So I'm going to go and drill these out first. Okay, so got these holes drilled. Doesn't make any kind of a difference, because I should have taken a better look of how it kind of mounts up to the original. So it looks like the rotor actually mounts to the back of this here, and kind of see how it attaches. This is actually a spare one I had from a GT. So what I end up doing is I used, of course, this bracket, which would be this. I drilled holes on the back of the rotor, kind of like how it is set up on here, and got it mounted on. So basically that's the way it's supposed to be done and designed. So now I got this location where the rotor needs to be. Now I got to get the caliper and some brackets made. So unfortunately, I am going to need to stop on the Celica right now. It is, one, getting late. Two, I still need to build the brackets, and I still don't have
all that material to keep this video going. So I am gonna go and put a pause on this right now. We actually got to get up early in the morning. Wifey and I, we are heading up to the snow, hanging out with some Jeep guys. So let's see what we got going on this
guys,
side.
a little bit of a change of pace here. We are actually out in the snow today. Something we're gonna be doing. Let me flip the camera out so you guys see everything going on. Check out the scenery. Anything automotive you guys like, this is another thing I want to get into. A little bit of this. Hey, so we're out here. Oh, my bad. We are out here with Eddie, buddy, also a contractor.
Yes, sir.
And it's, what was it? Find your husband?
Rent a husband.
Rent a husband. That's what he does for a living. So his sister behind us, she's way back there now. She's making a new trail. Is what she likes to do. So we had to stop and wait for her for a little bit, but
That's where Brenda's at.
yeah, that's where my girl is. So we're going to head up the hill. Once we get to the top, we'll say what's up. Why you look so stressed for, bro?
I'm not still trying to get to my new road.
There, you get that. All right, you ready?
Ah!
All right, so we're now the lead car. The first lead car, actually, his limited slip is starting to not work right. Basically, it's making some noise. So Eddie's going to be the leader now, and we're making a new trail.
Positive traction.
Got the posse. Treat the road. Go and move this thing. Here, man, we got He-Man doing it. He-Man, come on.
Ran over that tree.
All right, guys, so we are still making the trail here. We possibly may have lost the rear end. All the front wheels are spinning currently right now, and people following us are still back there. All right, so the solution we got, we're gonna go ahead and Raquel, that's a sister, is gonna hook them up. We're basically just sitting above the snow. It's holding his car up, so all the tires are just spinning, and we're not going anywhere. So we're gonna pull forward here, hook it up, and pull them out. You want to go back? Is that what we want to do? Pull you out this way? Hold on. You want to jump in? I recorded that one. Are you falling in love with the trail? Put some tension on it. Hold on, slow. Okay, right now. Go ahead, go. Hold on. You're gonna dig yourself a hole here. Then we gotta pull everybody out.
Don't get stuck.
Hold on, you're digging. Go back now. Hold on, here, hold on. Here, hold on. Unhook. She doesn't have that to put it in. Go forward. Go back. No, you're digging. Hold on. You're gonna dig a hole.
Yeah,
Just stay right there. Yeah. It's getting too deep. He got stuck. He's just basically sitting on the snow.
Now we gotta get her out. Yeah. Bring that strap back up here.
All right, so we're just digging holes. This is something we like to do around here.
You got another strap?
Yeah, I know. Plan B.
Don't do that. Huh? It's up there. Why? Nope, nope. There you go. Lance. Don't give me gas. Let's go to the left side. See which one. Put on the gas. Let the winch do the work. Keep going. Okay.
You gotta get your sister out now. She's still behind you. Ooh. Got some free schooling right now. That's how they kind of set it up. Winch all the way out.
I just leave that hooked up, Eddie.
Huh?
I leave that hooked up. We gotta spool all this in.
Yeah, I am. I was just gonna get our jackets off the freaking snow.
There you go. Go for it. Easy. Stop, 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 stop. Come back. Back.
Four-wheel drive on.
Yep. Oh, you're coming back.
There you go. Go!
There goes my ride. Not sure how I'm getting home.
Come this way. Go, 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 go.
All right, this snow is getting deeper and deeper. Just got stuck again, so probably about a quarter mile that way we were stuck. Now a quarter mile up the hill. Same boat. No, it's deeper, higher up. Yeah, the higher up it goes, deeper this is. And again, this is all new fresh powder. So what's down here? All right, we're stuck again. We're stuck again. Hold on. Let him tighten the winch up. Turn, make your wheel straight. Make your wheel straight. There you go. Now you're straight. Hold on. I think you might be good to go forward because it's pretty straight.
What did he just break?
Busted bolt or?
No, sure.
Guys, we're gonna go just end the video here. We're just getting stuck all day, every day. It's like something that's new in our life, you know, car people, everything breaks. How's your bumper?
He fucked it up.
Can't see that. They messed up her bumper. Hi guys, so out in the snow, that was actually really fun. Even though we got stuck, I didn't get home till like 8 o'clock last night. Had a late dinner. And again, we still got some things coming up, not only on the Celica, still got to get the CRX all completely done and finished, get it completely running at least how I like it.
brackets again still need to be made for the brakes here, and body and paint. So again, Eddie, I did have actually a lot of fun. Don't think I didn't, even though I had to do a lot of running around, putting things up on trees. That was all part of the game. Again, Steve, thank you again for making that hood. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you again for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe.